Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial accessory for any TC Helicon Voice Live 2 user, the BestCH USB cable cord. This isn't just a generic cable. It's specifically engineered to power your vocal effects pedal processor, ensuring your performances remain uninterrupted. A standout feature of this BestCH cable is its impressive worldwide input voltage capability, ranging from 100 to 240 VAC at 5060 Hz. For musicians who travel or perform internationally, this is a game changer. It eliminates the need for multiple adapters or voltage converters, offering a truly universal plug-and-play power solution wherever your music takes you. Beyond its global versatility, the built-in safety protections are paramount. This cable includes OVP, OCP, and SCP protection. OVP, or overvoltage protection, shields your pedal from excessive voltage. OCP, overcurrent protection, prevents damaging current surges. And SCP, short circuit protection, guards against accidental shorts. These critical safeguards extend the life of your valuable Voice Live 2, providing peace of mind during every session or live show. BestCH, the manufacturer, ensures these units are thoroughly tested and arrive in great working condition. This commitment to quality means users receive a reliable product ready to seamlessly integrate into their setup. The connectivity is standard USB, making it straightforward and user-friendly. A vital reminder for potential buyers: always double-check your specific model. This cable is designed for the TC Helicon Voice Live 2. Confirming your pedal's model before purchase is essential to avoid any compatibility issues. The company clearly states they cannot accept responsibility for incorrect purchases, so a quick verification on your part ensures a smooth and correct acquisition. Ultimately, for anyone relying on their TC Helicon Voice Live 2, this BestCH USB cable cord provides a robust, safe, and globally compatible power solution. It's engineered to keep your vocal effects processor running flawlessly, allowing you to concentrate solely on your performance without power concerns. It's a small but indispensable component that significantly enhances reliability and convenience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.